Caution before assembling. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix A to B with 3 screws E. Fix A to the ground with 4 expansion screws H. Attention! The holes are used for expansion screw H. Insert C into the B. Fix D to B with 3 screws F. The holes are used for assembly of the tabletop. Attention! Tabletop is not included in the package of the table base. No screws are supplied to fix the tabletop with table frame. Warning! Please use correct length of screws, depending the thickness of tabletop. Please use correct type of screws depending the material of tabletop, wooden, steel, etc.